Are you looking to master DevOps tools, methodologies, and practices? Do you want to be the driving force behind efficient software delivery in your organization? Look no further than the Knowledge Academy's DevOps course. Our comprehensive course will equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to implement DevOps practices in your organization. Our experienced instructors will guide you through the entire process from the basics to advanced concepts, giving you hands-on experience with real-world examples and scenarios. You will learn how to automate software delivery, manage infrastructure as code, and gain a deep understanding of continuous integration and continuous delivery. With our course, you will be ready to drive change and achieve success in your organization. Our flexible online learning platform allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Plus, our 100% pass guarantee means that you can trust us to help you succeed. So enroll now in the Knowledge Academy's DevOps course and become the DevOps expert your organization needs.